The final report in the new online reporting platform is a streamlined version of the owner summary report that is currently emailed monthly. The look and feel of the online version is slightly different, but the data is the same. When you first access your owner summary report, you'll see a breakdown of your locations trending, as well as a current month standing. You also find bookable prospect percentage, appointment conversion rate, and missed opportunities. These data points are available for the prior 6 months, allowing you to compare performance data over time. You will also find the number of bookable prospects, your current month-to-date conversion rate, the number of appointments set, the 6-month conversion rate trending, current month's conversion rate, and the number of missed opportunities and missed opportunity percentage. Your red flags and kudos are displayed here on the front page, showing you what needs your attention. This is a snapshot view. More detail can be found in the Flags and Kudos tab. A red flag is not necessarily a negative indicator, but it is something that requires attention. It could indicate a poorly performing ad source or employee. A red flag indicates data that needs additional analysis. Anything above or below industry standards will be called to your attention here. These are possibly areas of concern and areas of strong performance. In the middle of the report, you find a weighted score. This is a proprietary indicator that we obtain from several data points. We look at your conversion rate trending, as well as your prospect percentage and missed opportunities. When we factor all these data points, we assign you a monthly score. Also provided is the value of your missed opportunities based on industry averages. The first tab within the Owner Summary Report is a high-level snapshot. As you move down through the report, you find increasingly detailed analysis. Call Trending provides you with a sales funnel. You can see the inbound sales cycle from the initial inbound calls through to the month's appointments. Note your peak times and days for inbound prospect calls. The chart to the right is your calls by time of day. In blue, you see appointments set versus missed opportunities in red. That information is also provided for average calls by day. From here, you can see those times of day when your office is not booking appointments or struggles to book appointments. This is another chance to see the patterns and trends in your call management process, adjust staffing if necessary, and provide phone handling coaching. The Marketing Appointments tab provides marketing and lead conversion rate details. The bookable prospect percentage is your monthly prospect percentage. Looking at the process, inbound calls, you see the number of new patients, existing patients, or referral patients who called. The conversion breakdown shows your conversion rate for the month in the blue circle and lists booked appointments by how many came from new patients, existing patients, or referral patients, showing you the types of prospects that are responding to your marketing. Moving down through the report, you find total bookable prospects and appointments. This chart shows month-over-month data for up to 13 months, including the total number of inbound prospect calls for the month and how many appointments were booked. The 13-month trending chart is a good resource for insight into seasonality. As more data comes into the system, you'll be able to use this information to make sure that you adapt for the busy seasons. Here, we are looking at an analysis of your marketing performance broken down by ad source. Every month, at a glance, you'll know by ad source the number of inbound prospect calls generated, the prospect percentage, number of appointments set, and the conversion rate. After 6 months of data, you can compare the current month's performance to the 6-month average for any ad source. This report can be arranged by employee. If you'd like an employee view, use this drop-down menu to see, by employee, how many prospect phone calls each took, their prospect percentages, number of appointments set, and their individual conversion rate. After 6 months, you can compare the current month with the individual's 6-month average. This is a useful tool for call coaching and goal setting with your front office staff. You can track their progress during the current month and watch their performance over the past 6 months. The last data point is your 13-month trending. The default view here is by appointments, allowing you to see month over month how many appointments were booked for new patients, referral patients, or existing patients. This report is completely customizable. Click on any of these data labels to adapt the chart to focus on your new patients, remove referrals or existing customers, and hone your marketing campaigns to the target audience you want. Use this data to look at numbers of appointments or change the view to prospect phone calls month over month to see how many total inbound prospects were for new patients in a particular month versus existing or referral patients. The last tab within your owner summary report is your flags and kudos. This is a detailed look at the snapshot we saw earlier. If there are particular ad sources with low leads or no call volume, you will find that information there. This is where you will see any negative indicators. You're alerted if any of your published marketing campaigns are not receiving any leads or have low call volume. That's something you need to know and pay attention to. We're going to tell you that right here. And when an ad source or employee performed well in a particular month, we'll call your attention to that too. You want to know what was done right and what's working so you can repeat it.